The tech industry is investing heavily in artificial intelligence right now, and Google is among those committed to the course of an AI future. The first quarter of 2024 saw a vast spring up of incredible and impressive AI systems. Among such systems is Project Astra, unveiled at Google I/O 2024, which is a big part of that. And it could end up being one of Google's most important AI tools. At Google's annual developer conference, the new AI was unveiled, and it's a step closer to achieving the vision of having a universal assistant, a helper that's just useful whenever you need it. Project Astra, the future of AI at Google, is a real-time, multimodal AI assistant that can see the world, understand what things are and where you left them, and intelligently answer questions in a human-like manner. It's a blend of Google Assistant and Google Gemini, with added features and superior capabilities for a natural conversational experience. In an incredible demo video by Google, an Astra user at Google's London office was captured live using the AI. During the demo, the user asked the system to identify a part of a speaker, locate missing glasses, and review the code. Impressively, it worked correctly in a real-time conversational way. Project Astra is one of many Gemini announcements at this year's I/O. Furthermore, there's a new model of Gemini called Gemini 1.5 Flash, which is designed to be faster for common tasks like summarizing and captioning. Another new model of Gemini is called Veo, which can generate video from a text prompt. Also, Gemini Nano was announced at the event. It is an AI model that is designed to be used locally on devices like your phone, tablet, PC, and it is supposedly faster than ever as well. Going forward, a new product called Gemini Live is a voice-only assistant that lets you have easy back-and-forth conversations with the model. Whenever you interrupt, it can call back to earlier parts of your conversation. And lastly, Google Lens was updated with a feature that allows you to search the web by shooting and narrating a video. A lot of this is enabled by Gemini's large context window, which means it can access a huge amount of information at a time. The context window for Gemini Pro, which means how much information the model can process in a given query, is doubled to 2 million tokens, which makes the model better at following instructions than the previous version. Google is making rapid progress on the models themselves to make them ready for users. In addition, the story of AI to users will be less about the model's capabilities and what it can do for you. Streamlined down, it's all about bots that don't just talk with you, but accomplish tasks on your behalf. Astra is much closer than previous products to the way a true real-time AI assistant ought to work. So what can Astra do? One of Google's demos shows Astra running on a phone, using its camera input and talking naturally to a user. From the demo, it was asked to flag up something in view that can play sounds, and it correctly identifies a speaker. Then, when an arrow is moved on the screen to a component of the speaker, Astra was able to recognize and talk about the speaker component highlighted by the arrow. In another demo, we see Astra correctly identifying world landmarks from drawings in a sketchbook, remembering the order of objects in a list, identifying a neighborhood from an image, and understanding the purpose of different sections of code that are shown to it. This is the multimodal part of Project Astra in action, which makes it a step up from what we already have and know, with improvements in caching, recording, and processing key to real-time responsiveness. Remarkably, in our hands-on time with Project Astra, we were able to get it to tell a story based on objects that we showed to the camera, and adapt the story as we went on. Further down the line, it will be possible to apply Astra as you explore a city on vacation, solve a physics problem on a whiteboard, or provide detailed information about what's being shown in a sports game. Well, you might be wondering if this would be possible. How exactly will these assistants work? And how will you use them? Nobody knows for sure. The DeepMind team is still researching how best to bring multimodal models together and how to balance ultra-huge general models with smaller and more focused ones. Project Astra, like other AI assistants, is still in an early era of AI. But Google assured very soon they're going to start asking different questions about their AI. Questions about what these assistants can do, how they do it, and how they can make your lives better. As we have said, all of Project Astra's capabilities are gotten and seen from a demo video, Realistically, it's in the early stages. However, Google says that some of its AI systems capabilities will come to Google products like the Gemini app later this year. So it looks as though elements of Astra will appear gradually in Google's apps as we journey through 2024. Generally, you can say Project Astra isn't any different from the AI chatbots we've already known and used. Isn't it just about you to ask a question, for example, what's in a picture, how to do something, or request some creative text to be generated? What elevates this particular AI project is its multimodal functionality. The way text, images, video, and audio can all be integrated, the speed at which the bot works, and how conversational it is. Project Astra has been built to understand context, take actions, work in real time, and remember conversations from the past. From the demos released so far, Astra works perfectly on phones and smart glasses. It's powered by the Google Gemini AI models, so it may eventually be part of the Gemini app, rather than something separate and standalone. As time goes on and technology improves, these limitations will slowly begin to be overcome. Enthusiastically, the next time we hear something major about Project Astra could be around the time of the launch of the Google Pixel 9 in the last few months of 2024. And with the standard of Google, they would want to make this the most AI-capable smartphone yet.